Don't kill it.
Look, puppy. Leave it alone, y'all.
I want to pick it up.
He's trying to get a video. They're trying to miss it. Where'd it go? It's probably been damaged. It looks damaged. Move! Pick it up.
Look how it moves.
Move!
Like a little motor.
Don't hurt it.
I'm not moving.
Look at it. Now you can let it go.
Cause they're gonna knock it out. He's like, again.
Okay, leave it alone. Let it chill. Oh.
It's amazing that they can go through all that.
Stay there. Y'all, please don't mess with it. Let it stay there for the night. It can leave in the morning.
They'll be dead in the morning. They don't.
Why?
They don't live long.
They don't?
They only live about 24 hours after they crawl out and shed their shell.
Oh, for real? Justin! My God!
Hey, move! Let them do it.
Let them kill it?
No, let them play.
No, they're not playing with it. They're going to kill it. Ah! No, no. Leave it alone. No.
What is we doing? Oh, this is going to power to it.
Oh, yeah. You're going to go inside.
Yeah, because they don't want me messing with it.
You gotta let it run. You know, we should wear that here. Y'all stay in there. Don't put me in. You can't use it. No, Scotty, sugar out here for a minute.
Quit getting on your back. See what it did? See what it did? Hey, what? Leave her alone. Let's see what she does.
Let's see her outside.
That is so cool, y'all. Look at its face. While it's not moving and chirping.
Don't you in the dick. Don't you do it. Move.
Oh, poor thing.
What?
Pab. We're gonna stretch.
Stop. Y'all two get in.
I wonder why.
You can watch from the screen. Go.
That's right here. Come on, Boogie. Go. I want
So it don't jump on you. We're not gonna have to give it a heart attack. Get in there.
to. I was thinking about it.